Hello everyone. Today we will see wireless standard. In this we will see what is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a short range wireless communication technology. Why this name? It was taken from the 10th century Danish king from United Denmark and Norway. Bluetooth is a wireless system that uses radio wave for communication. It has the ability to communicate with many different devices at once without interference. Bluetooth is an open standard for short-range transmission of digital voice and data that support point-to-point and multi-point applications. Bluetooth is based on a low cost, low power, short range radio link. Bluetooth cuts the cord that used to tie up digital devices. When the two Bluetooth devices come with 50 meters range of each other, they establish a connection together. It operates at 2.45 GHz, which is available globally. Although slight variation of location and width of band apply. Different version of the Bluetooth we will see Bluetooth V1.0 and V1.0B with mandatory Bluetooth hardware device address. Secondly, Bluetooth V1.1 ratified as IEEE standard 802.15.1 2002. Third is Bluetooth V1.2 faster communication and discovery. Fourth one is Bluetooth V2.0 plus enhanced data rate. Fifth is Bluetooth V2.1 secure simple parsing, that is SSP. Sixth is Bluetooth V3.0 high speed data transfer. Seventh is Bluetooth version 4.0 low energy consumption recently used in Apple iPhone 4S. Then we will see technical feature. In that we will see spectrum. It requires 2.4 GHz ISM open band. Modulation Gaussian frequency shift keying. Transmission power 1 million watts to 100 million watts. Data rate is required 1 Mbps. Range is 30 feet. Supported station will be 8 devices. Data security authentication key is 128-bit key. Data security encryption key will be 8 to 128 bit. Modular size will be 9 into 9 millimeter. Bluetooth will support wireless point-to-point and point-to-multipoint between device in the Piconet. Point-to-point link master-slave relationship will be there. Bluetooth device can function as master or slave. Piconet, it is the network formed by the master and one or more slave. Maximum will be 7. Each Piconet is defined by the different hopping channel to which users synchronize to. Each Piconet has maximum capacity is 1 Mbps. Now we will see Piconet structure. All devices in Piconet hop together. Master ID and master clock determine frequency hopping, sequence and the phase. Scatterness structure consists several Piconets together. Here we will see there will be master, active slave, park slave and standby. Here is the structure of the Piconets. Here it is the documentation, specification and profile. In the specification, it describes how the technology works, that is Bluetooth protocol architecture, In the profile, it describes how the technology is used, how different part of the specification can be used to fulfill desired function of Bluetooth device. Bluetooth protocol stack. The heart of the Bluetooth specification is the Bluetooth protocol stack. By providing well-defined layer of functionality, the Bluetooth specification ensure interoperability of Bluetooth devices and encourage adoptions of the Bluetooth technology. Core of the system, radio protocol, it specifies detail of the air interface, the use of frequency hopping, modulation scheme and transmit power. Baseband protocol, concerned with communication establishment within a Piconet addressing, Piconet format, timing and power control. Link Manager Protocol, that is LMP, it responsible for link setup between Bluetooth devices and ongoing link management. Telephony Control Protocol, Bluetooth Telephony Control Protocol specification. It defines how telephone calls should be sent across the Bluetooth link. Bluetooth profile. In order to use Bluetooth wireless technology, a device must be able to interpret certain Bluetooth profile. The profile defines the possible application. Certain example will be generic access protocol profiles, telephony control protocol specification, generic object exchange profile, serial port profiles. Then we will see comparison between various technology and the Bluetooth. IR will be there. Ideal application will be device synchronization and data transfer. Their range will be 1 meter. Data rate will be 16 Mbps. Current required will be low and cost is 10. Connection type is single frequency. As compared to Bluetooth, ideal application will be ad hoc PAN. Their range will be 10 to 100 meter. Data rate Mbps will be less than 1. Current required will be medium and cost will be 10. Connection type is FHSS. And as compared to Bluetooth 802.11b, it is a high-speed LAN. Range is 100 plus meter. Data rate is 11 Mbps. Current required is high and the cost will be 45. What are the different application of Bluetooth then? Wireless control of an communication between a mobile phone and a hands-free headset. This was one of the earliest application to become popular. Wireless communication with PC input and output devices, the most common being of mouse, keyboard and printer. Transfer of files, contact detail, calendar appointment and reminders between the device with OBEX. Some other application is dial-up internet access on personal computer or PDAs using a data capable mobile phone and a wireless modem. Personal security application on mobile phones for prevention and thief of the loss of items. What are the future of the Bluetooth? Success of Bluetooth depend on how well it is integrated into consumer product. Consumers are more interested in applications that the technology. Bluetooth must be successful integrated into consumer product, must provide benefit for customer. Thank you everyone.